here's this week's MouseBlocker Minute.
All right, guys, in this MouseBlocker Minute, we have Lori, and Lori has a prized possession. It is a prized possession. Man, it's a sweet ride. It's a 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood. Lori, how long have you had that car?
I have been blessed with this car for 7 years now. It's very special to me because it's an exact replica of my father's first Cadillac. I chose the MouseBlocker because it actually works. If we get a light snow, I can actually see little tiny paw prints, little tiny critters walk up to the shelter logic and turn right around and go the other way.
That's because that frequency that humans can't hear, right, is driving them all away. They hear that and they're like, I don't want to go in here. That's not my game at all. So they're
and the flashing light. And the little flashing light. Yeah, I'm a retired home improvement contractor, and I had several clients complain about, mice in the basement, mice here, mice there. And I'm like, look, buy it, try it, and if it doesn't work, I'll buy it. To this day, I haven't bought one back, so.
I hope you have many more cruises, many more outings in it, and I hope those mice never come back to that protected area again. So, congratulations.
Thank you.